Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Shiba Inu, SHIB, on Bitrue and want to secure it on your Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest best practices to keep your crypto safe. Why bother transferring? Well, exchanges like Bitrue are convenient, but hardware wallets like Ledger offer top-notch security against hacks. Let's dive in step by step. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Make sure the Ethereum app is installed on your device since SHIB runs on the Ethereum network. Double-check this in the App Manager. Next, log into your Bitrue account. Go to your wallet, select SHIB, and choose the withdrawal option. You'll need to enter a recipient address, so switch back to Ledger Live. On your Ledger device, navigate to the Ethereum app, and use Ledger Live to generate your SHIB receiving address. Write this down carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, back on Bitrue, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Set the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. SHIB uses the Ethereum blockchain, so expect some gas fees. Aim for a standard speed to keep costs low. Review everything, then confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email, and on your Ledger, approve the transaction when it prompts you. Once the transfer is complete, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion, check your Ledger Live balance to verify. Congrats! You've just moved your SHIB to a safer spot. A quick tip. Always double-check addresses to avoid sending funds to the wrong place, and never share your seed phrase. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.